The assignment for this week in Module 1 is to talk about PMI and its offering. In the next few slides, I'll walk you through a brief overview of PMI and history of PMI through the course of years, and then the certification offerings from PMI. So a brief overview of PMI. PMI, or Project Management Institute, is a well-recognized globally recognized institute in project management. PMI serves more than 3 million professionals, and which includes over 650,000 members in 213 countries around the world. PMI has 303 chapters and 14,000 volunteers servicing local members in 180 countries. PMI services include the development of standards, research, education, publication, and networking opportunities for all its members. PMI is considered the leading authority in the world when it comes to project management, and is recognized by public, private, and government entities. PMI has several certification offerings facilitating candidates to get recognized with formal credentials to boost their career. All in all, the Project Management Institute has established standards in project management which are used currently in many verticals and many industries, whether it's manufacturing, construction, healthcare, information technology. The project management professionals have leveraged these standards to implement projects across these industries, whether they are small projects or complex projects. A brief history about PMI. It was first established in 1969, and that's when the Project Management Foundation was laid. Originally, PMI was called the American Planning and Scheduling Society, but it was quickly changed to Project Management Institute. They opened the first chapter in Houston, Texas. Between the years of 1979 and 1989, it had great, strong volunteer support and opened 24 chapters in the United States. And it also opened chapters outside of the United States in Germany and South Africa. It hired its first executive director and introduced the Fellow Award. The popular project management professional certification got introduced during these years. Between 1989 to 1999, PMI established global headquarters in Upper Darby, Pennsylvania. PMI released first edition of a Guide to Project Management Body of Knowledge. Between 1989 and 2009, PMI held its first global project management forum in New Orleans, Louisiana. It formally approved establishment of Global Accreditation Center for Project Management. And between 2009 to 2019, PMI introduced the PMI Agile Certified Practitioner Certification for individuals who have experience in Agile and who wants to be recognized as a certified professional in running Agile projects. PMI also introduced first and sixth edition of the Project Management Book of Knowledge during this period. It also introduced two key certifications, namely Professional in Business Analysis and the Portfolio Management Professional. PMI has many certifications, but the 6 key certifications which PMI currently offers to individuals who are interested in a career in project management are Project Management Professional certification, which is PMP, PMI Professional in Business Analysis, Program Management Professional, Certified Associate in Project Management, Portfolio Management Professional, and PMI Risk Management Professional. These certifications are recognized across the world, and PMI validates any individuals who have received these certifications online.